इसको बहुत इजीली लिख भी सकते हैं. सो राइटिंग इन्वॉल्व्स व्हाट? योर लैंग्वेज. और लैंग्वेज में कौन से ऑर्डर पे आती है? शो मी 4 फिंगर्स एवरीवन. लैंग्वेज मतलब क्या? व्हाट इज लैंग्वेज? व्हाट इज भाषा? जो हम यूज करते हैं किसी को अपनी बात समझाने के लिए या किसी की बात समझने के लिए. पुट इट वेरी वेरी सिंपल, राइट? सो व्हाट आर दीज 4 फिंगर्स? नेम इट. फर्स्ट इज लैंग्वेज की 4 सब स्किल्स होती है. अगर लैंग्वेज एक स्किल है तो लैंग्वेज की 4 सब स्किल्स हैं जो हमारे यहाँ पे आइल्स वाले बहुत ज़बरदस्त सबको पढ़ा रहे हैं. लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग, रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग. LSR. अगेन LSR. लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग, रीडिंग, राइटिंग. Where is writing falling? At number 1 or at number 4? Number 4. And that is how the nature has. That is how the nature has designed the mechanism of language development in humans. Think of your children. सबसे पहले आपके बच्चे ने क्या करना सीखा था? Talk about the first sub skill. When did the child learn to listen? At what age did the child start listening? Come on, कितने टाइम का था बच्चा जब उसने लिसन करना शुरू किया? Sure? From the very first day. From the very first day, a child can listen. Then, how about speaking? And they start babbling first, right? Slowly, that babble turns to few words, words to 2-3 words together, then sentences, then proper lengthy speeches, right? Then, how about reading? When did the child start reading? Sure? Now, close your eyes and recall जब when your baby was young और जब वो छोटे थे और आप उसको देख के हंसते थे, did they smile back? Yes? So what were they doing? They were reading your expression. The child had started reading expression, and that is the age when reading begins. That is the age when reading begins. Reading तब से नहीं होगी जब बच्चे को words पढ़ने आ जाए. जैसे राइटिंग से पहले प्री राइटिंग है, सिमिलरली रीडिंग से पहले बहुत सारा प्री रीडिंग है. और जब प्री रीडिंग होगा तभी राइटिंग होगा. दैट इज वाई द सीक्वेंस इज देयर. इफ द चाइल्ड कैन नॉट लिसन देन द चाइल्ड विल नॉट बी एबल टू स्पीक. वी ऑल हैव वन सच एग्जांपल wherein we were thinking that the child has speech delay, कि बच्चा बोलन च लेट है, but actually there was delay in, there was problem in hearing. That is the reason the child was not speaking. So if we talk of writing, if the child has no exposure to reading, the child cannot write. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? पूरा हम किस स्किल के पीछे पड़े हैं? पूरा जी जान लगा के कह रहे हैं, हाँ, come on, writing. What are we doing for reading? What kind of environment do we have at home? हमने तो आप हमारी क्लासरूम में जाके देखिए, the moment you enter, you will find कि थीम रिलेटेड कैलेंडर्स हैं, थीम बोर्ड पे बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स हैं, बर्थडे चार्ट है, वर्ड्स की लिस्ट है, देन देयर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मटेरियल इज देयर लेट द चाइल्ड रीड. हमने इन सब चीज़ों के साथ भी लेबल किया है. दिस इज टेबल, दिस इज बोर्ड, दिस इज लाइट, बिकॉज हम क्या कर रहे हैं? वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग विजुअली रिच एनवायरनमेंट टू चिल्ड्रन फॉर रीडिंग. सो सिमिलरली encourage your children to read. Read क्या करवाएंगे हम उनसे? Story. The child cannot read the words, but the child can read the picture. घर पे जाके try करें. Show the picture and ask. The child will himself make up the story and tell. There was a boy. There was a big tree. The boy was sitting under the tree, and it can be any language. Let us not just be after English. It can be any language, but give the room of expression to children. And then after reading will come writing. Right? In our school also, if the child is in VR, so after we don't have to expect that the child will start writing right from VR. They will they don't have listening, speaking and reading awareness, right? So you also need to cooperate on those parameters कि writing हम कब करवाएंगे जब बच्चा A को read कर सकता है उसके बाद. Then only the child will be able to write it confidently. When we pressurize the children to write and they don't have the concept formation नहीं है, then the children feel what? They feel low. कि ऐसा मुझसे क्या हो गया कि वो मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. They lose their self-esteem, right? They have the fatigue. They don't like going to school in such cases. क्योंकि मैम हमें प्रेशर करेंगे कि हमें लिखना है. So you will feel it कि हमारे यहाँ पे there is no such unnecessary pressure. We are following the scientifically designed curriculum, and as parents, you should have faith on whatever we are doing, and you should be doing the similar kind of activities at home. And never ever compare कि गवांडियाँ दे न्याणे ने कितनी कॉपियाँ पढ़ी, right? Right? Then comes your perceptual ability. We all have white sheet, yes? थोड़ा सा और होमवर्क करें फटाफट. You all had written your name beautifully in the chalk. Now hold the pencil in your other hand. If you had written with right, hold it in left. Aman, can we give sheets to ma'am also?
Give to ma'am.
Hold it in other hand and then write your name.
Sheet and
Quick, quick, quick.
pencil also.
Come on, come on, come on. मैं पहले आपको right से लिखना होगा because you were not here when you wrote with right.
Write your name first. You have to write your name.
Written with the other hand? Yes? थोड़ा और काम करें? हाँ? Now close your eyes and write with your right hand. Close your eyes and write with your right hand. सज्जे हाथ नाल अखा बंद करके. If you are lefty, then the instructions are reversed.
Different.
Close your eyes and write with your right hand. Come on. Should I count to check? Yes. Okay. The last twist. Eyes closed and pencil in the other hand. Left hand and closed eyes. Left hand and closed eyes. चीटिंग हो रही है आपकी फर्स्ट रो में अमन? हाँ जी? यस यस. नेम ही लिखना है. Okay, show it to your friends. What have you written? Show it to your friends. Show it to your ma'am. Come on, everyone. Very nice. Very nice. What point are we trying to prove? How about the percept? What is perceptual ability? लिखते हुए कहाँ पे लिखना है? कितना स्पेस देना है? What? आप क्या सोच रहे थे जब आइज बंद करके लिख रहे थे? 1 point. एक पॉइंट था जो सबके माइंड में आया था कि हम क्या ना कर दें?
Is it going straight?
स्ट्रेट जा रहे हैं, नहीं जा रहे हैं और ओवर राइटिंग तो नहीं हो रही है. What is all that? Perceptual ability. जितना मुश्किल आइज बंद करके लेफ्ट हैंड से लिखना था ना आपके लिए, उससे भी ज़्यादा मुश्किल is for the children to write with their eyes open with the right hand. हमें वो बहुत easy concept लगता है कि पेज के कॉर्नर से लिखना तो शुरू करना है, but it is not that easy for them. It is a science. It has to be nurtured. वो overnight उनको अपने आप से नहीं आएगा. जो आपके लिए बहुत सिंपल है वो उनके लिए उतना सिंपल नहीं. So cognitive we have discussed. There are rules. We write from left to right. There is right amount of space between the alphabets, and also we write between the lines. There are sky words. There are root words. There are grass words. कुछ letters हैं जो आपको ऊपर वाली 3 लाइन में लिखने हैं, कुछ नीचे वाली 2 में लिखने हैं. There's so much of the technicality involved in it, right? Fine motor, farmer to Spencer. palmer. When you give your finger to your children of DR age or beyond, before that, how do they hold your hand? कैसे पकड़ते हैं? ऐसे. So which grip is this? Palm. Can they write with palm grip? No. पर लिखने के लिए हमें उन्हें कौन सी grip पे लेके आना पड़ता है? Tripod. इससे इसके बीच में there is a very important step, that is pincer. Come on, show me your fingers. This is your pincer grip. इसको develop करने में there goes a lot of effort that we are putting here in our school, and we want you as parents to also be doing it. So whatever fine motor activities we do, that is about the dabbing, about pasting, about mashing, किया था ना हमने एक स्टार्टिंग में, remember? Yes. एक और करें quickly. Aman, I think there are notes here for all the parents. Paper everyone is there. So we have another newspaper under the chairs. Take out the newspaper जो आपकी chair के नीचे है. Come on. Come on. There is a lot of work that you have to do at LM. We can start giving the paper ready. Okay? We have got the newspaper. I didn't tell you to clear it. Huh? Smart children, ma'am will not do the same activity now. We will do something different. Come on, use just your one hand. The other hand should not be used. With one hand, start tearing the paper and make smaller balls. And balls should be well mashed, squeezed. ठीक है? Simple. और उसको you can throw. To all our children today, you can make the place dirty. ठीक है? Understood? आपको अपना एक हाथ यूज करना है और पेपर की छोटी छोटी बॉल्स बना के क्या करते हैं? चलो क्विक. You have to finish the sheet. और sheet finish के चक्कर में no one will make the मोटा मोटा balls. ठीक है? Come on, come on, come on. Okay, there is a twist. The child who does it the best will get a candy from ma'am. Actually, see. And ma'am is fond of eating. If you don't do it well, ma'am will hug me. Come on, come on, come on. कुछ नहीं होता है बेटा. You are just acting. You are just acting. When you have to scroll phone, then there is no pain. Huh? If I tell you to go out in the park, then all your pains will vanish in a jiffy. भागते हुए चले जाओगे आप अभी. Done? Yes? Paper pegs have been given. Pegs चलो, if your hands are अभी बहुत ज़्यादा tired, तो you can use Done? Yes? Okay. तो अभी जो गंदा करते हैं वही क्या करता है? So you all have pegs with you? Peg है सबके पास? You have to pick up the balls. Attention. All eyes on me. You have to pick up the balls and put them in the pole. And if you have 20 balls, you get the time. So we have 3 best performers. 20 with the peg, not with the hands. Wait. Empty up. All you only have to use the pegs. Teachers, please see there are no cheaters. With the peg. With the peg. With the pegs. Come on. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, time to clean up where you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, it's time to clean up where you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, it's time to clean up where you are. 20 done?
Yes, I hope.
Count करो खुद से. Oh my God!
Trying my best.
Other 20. Come on. Count करो. Be honest. Oh my God! We have an unexpected winner. Very good. Big balls. Count.
Sir was too so tired.
At 1.8 मैं नहीं करूँगा. चलो you can. Well done. Wow. Big round of applause. Very good. What's your child's name? Very good, Chandeep. Chalo, done. Okay. Big rusty.
Pick, please.
Done? She's the fourth. No. Fourth. Should we give back to her? No.
क्या करके हम
You're something. We can give consolation. What is your child saying? Very good, Kuransh. Well done. What did we do? क्या किया हमने? चॉकलेट आप तो पूरा कैरेक्टर में चले गए ऑफ 3-year-old. We worked on our eye-hand coordination. We worked on our finger strength, movement. This is just an example of things that can be done with children at home to keep them positively engaged. ठीक है? And if even we as grown-ups can feel that much of pain, मैम तो ऐसे हो गए थे कि बस अब मुझे और नहीं करना है. So the similar kind of pain they also go through. हमारा तो फिर अभी all kind of development has already happened. अभी तो हम सब overgrow कर रहे हैं, है ना? But the children they are still in that stage. So we need to be mindful of the fact of their physical strength and ability, right? Also, one very important thing, your fine motor is very much connected to your gross motor. If there is no strength in your shoulders, then your wrist cannot move, right? So for children of this age, there has to be a lot of activities which give strength to their gross motor skills. तो हमारे curriculum में एक special segment है, that is gross motor skills, wherein they do the activities to strengthen their gross motor skills, because gross motor and fine motor are very much what? Come on. Connected. Language and ability we have discussed in detail. Language has to be developed. The child should be able to recognize the letter. When he says A, there should be a picture of the alphabet in his mind, and only the child will be able to write. A lot of exposure to sight words. We have sight word corners in our classrooms. RTF में आज आप जाकर देख सकते हैं, अमन मैम की क्लास में इट इज़ देयर. So we invest a lot of amount in beautification of our houses. बहुत पैसे लगाते हैं घर बनाने पे, but what kind of efforts do we put in the right kind of environment for the child to study, to learn, to grow? We are hesitant कि दीवार में कुछ लगाएंगे, दीवार खराब हो जाएगी. Do we make sure that the child has a designated study place at home, and that place has nice displays also, wherein you can display the content that is being done in the school or any other thing also, but make sure that children have designated study learning stations at home also. कभी बेड पे काम करना है, कभी डाइनिंग टेबल पे काम करना है, that does not instill the sense of discipline, नहीं आएगा, right? Perceptual ability, whatever we did, the closing of eyes and writing, that was all about perceptual ability. Two very quick scientific terms we will quickly go through. Can we all recall the ultrasound? Our first ultrasound जो हमने स्कैन हुआ था when we had conceived. Do we all remember? क्या दिखता है उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा? Which body part is visible? Did we guess? Head. The cephalopods says it is the pattern of growth, that the development happens from head to toe, and also the proportion of the body. When children are born, उनका head is bigger as compared to the rest of the body. It is not in the equal proportion, है ना? अभी हमारा head इतना सा है, हम इतने बड़े हो गए हैं, but that is not same with the children. Also, है ना? Because the toes have been strengthened, but the case is not same with the children. The other is proximal distance. The development happens from center to within. Now spread your arms. अगर आपके साइड में भी बैठे तो ऐसे कर लीजिए. Which is the outermost body part of yours? Outermost. सबसे दूर क्या है? Finger की tips से. सबसे दूर है? सबसे दूर है. तो ये जो scientific term है proximal distance, ये क्या कह रही है कि पहले आपका center में development होगा and then outermost. तो सबसे लास्ट में क्या चीज़ हमारी बॉडी की डेवलप हो रही है बच्चों में, स्पेशली इन्फेंसी? तो can it function the first? Is it fair to expect them to make it फराटेदार सबसे पहले? Not at all. So fingers are the last to develop, means writing should be the last skill to develop on when it comes to language. Before we get after writing, we should get after listening, speaking and come on, reading. Very good. So writing requires a gradual transition from palmar to pincer and then finally to which group? Grip, tripod. Sir, इशारा समझ लीजिए. ठीक है? So what are the activities that help in writing? Catching ball. Can you pass the ball to any parent? बहुत आराम से catch करें sir. Come on to some other parent. So आप ball catch कर रहे हैं, क्या हो रहा है? You are following an object that is coming towards you. You are coordinating your muscles with your eyes. Such activities, अगर आप the children who have learning difficulties, they have difficulty in judging the direction of ball also, right? Scissors का usage is very important. Make sure you give them the friendly scissor, जिससे आपके कपड़े ना कटें. So my daughter को अभी मतलब she's 5, तो थोड़े दिन पहले when she used to use the scissor, every now and then हमें कहीं 20 रुपए का फटा नोट मिल रहा था, कहीं 10 रुपए का. So she was fond of using scissors, and then please ensure that you give the friendly scissors which are safe for the children to use. But using scissor is of great help to strengthen the muscles so that they get the right kind of balance in their movements, right? Parachute play we do at school. Ma'am can share the video. It is a big parachute that the children hold and then they play with it. Then paper folding. When you अब जिस पे आपने बहुत सुंदर सुंदर उल्टा सीधा अपना नाम लिखा ना, उसको फोल्ड कर लीजिए. जो बनाना है बना लीजिए. एरोप्लेन बना लीजिए, बोट बना लीजिए. Can make anything. When you fold paper, then you are using your tips, right? For pressing it. So that pressing is again very important. Scissors, the plucker, उसका use करना. For example, we use the pegs today. जो चिमटी that we use to pick up, they are pegs. Similarly, tweezers are also a good exercise that can be done with the children. Most of the things we have to do in our classes, but you can do them at home as well. We need how many volunteers? 2 or कितने strings हैं total हमारे पास? We need 3 volunteers. 3 volunteers and all fathers, no mothers. Let us make them the active participants. 3 volunteers चाहिए. कुछ paper pen test नहीं है. It is simple. Come. There are beads. You have to select your color, and you have to. So which color do you select, sir? Red. Goes with your turban. So you. Red. नहीं आप हाँ. Beads can be of any color. No? Beads can be of any color. So blue string has blue. You can have white and you have red. White. आपको जो भी select करना. एक bead का color select कर लीजिए. आपस में discuss करें. Take. We are empowering you to take decisions. हम अपने बच्चों पे भी color impose नहीं करते. वो अपनी मर्जी से select कर लिया. So अभी क्या करना है आपको? हाँ जी, रिच पाना है. मेक श्योर कि थलों निकलना जाना. ठीक है? हाँ जी. नॉट ला लो, उसके यहाँ पे ला लो. So whosoever puts the 7 beads. Wait.
चेक कर लो.
Okay. और अगर निकल रहा है तो you can hold it from one end and string it from the other end. Let us do it that way. ठीक है? ठीक है? Done? Ready, children? Ready, boys? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. 7 beads. हाँ. हाँ, ma'am. To make sure there's no cheating happening.
अच्छा किस स्टैंड की?
So who puts 7 beads first wins? Okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Cheer for your friends. Come on, everyone. Red. Blue. You can select teams. Blue.
कितने बार हुआ?
Welcome. Very good. Only 2. Finish it. Finish it. Sir. Thank you. So beading is again a very good activity that can be done with children, and along beading, chocolate आपको already मिल गई है तो हम नहीं देंगे. So beading is an activity, और beading के through you can talk about colors also. You can talk about shapes also. In our school we have different type of beads. Big beads for DR children, smaller beads for RTF children. Then beads in form of different shapes, in form of triangle, in form of cuboid, so that we can talk about shapes, we can talk about sizes, we can talk about colors, and also the eye-hand coordination gets what? Improved, right? Writing follows a pattern. Writing follows a pattern. Before a child can write the words, the child should know how to scribble. Scribbling is what? It starts in DR or even before DR, wherein they use ball crayons that is appropriate for their palm grip, and they make strokes, as you can see in the picture. Then the drawing starts making, the scribbling starts making a little sense, that is called doodling. Then they start coloring in big pictures, and then we gradually decrease the size of the picture, the area, and then finally we come to writing. So writing se pehle there are a lot of things that the child needs to do, and that we have been discussing since morning, right? What are the tools that are required for developing handwriting? So pencil is just one tool. The manipulative tool can be different also. It can be colors, it can be paintbrush, it can be, come on, और क्या हो सकता है? Chalk, colors, different types of colors. Ball crayons for the children who have palmer grip. Then jumbo crayons, those who are just transitioning to pincer grip. And then finally the patla wala crayons for children who are writing, who are starting writing. Then pencil to hai hi, right? Can we all quickly make the tripod grip? हम सब कैसे लिखते हैं? So basically this and this should be only the supporting finger, and these two fingers should be tucked, right? Yes. Which grip is this? Tripod. और किससे start होते हैं? Which is the first grip? Then very good children, and then finally tripod. So for writing, the size can be seen later. First we pay attention to formation. अभी आप घर जाएंगे, please see the fun at school of your children, especially the EW parents. You will see the first activity regarding alphabet they do is कि वो बहुत बड़ा alphabet होता है, इसमें they do only the coloring or pasting or dabbing, so that the bigger the size, the better the recognition, and then finally they come to writing in boxes. तो पहले tracing होगा and then finally they will write individually, right? You can see it in their books today. So key learnings, the session is coming to end now. The key learnings, reading and writing should be fun, and I hope we have discussed enough activities which can make reading and writing fun-filled affair for children. Yes? We need 2 mother volunteers. 2 mothers. Quickly. No. Yes. Yes. We have 2 tracks only? Yes. So here, see, we are breaking gender stereotypes also. Car racing हम mothers से करवाएंगे और deeds and other activities हम fathers से करवाएंगे. So you have to, yes, क्या करना है? क्या कर रहे हो? Come back. What is this happening? हाँ? अब आप लोग मुझे वो terms use करके बताओगे क्या हो रहा है जो हम सुबह से discuss कर रहे हैं. What are they doing? What are we achieving through this? Motor skills or eye-hand coordination, and सबसे important, learning is what for them? Fun. Learning is what for them? Fun. For preschoolers, learning should be fun, a joyful affair. Then only they would be doing their best. Otherwise, they would not like the idea of study at all. Now please let us quickly see if we have got the gist of the session. Should reading come before writing? Yes or no? Yes. Once a child learns to write a letter, he should go on repeating the same. लेटर लिखना आ गया तो उसका repetition होगा कि नहीं होगा? होगा. Repetition makes the memory strong. Then children are made so busy joining letters that they fail to understand what they are writing. Does it happen? Huh? So how can we ensure that this does not happen? What do we need to do for that? You will not go out of the room before giving the test. हमें क्या करना है? पूरे एक writing concept को enjoyable experience बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? What different thing will you start doing as a parent from today? Come on. Concept formation पे हम बहुत ज़्यादा emphasis देंगे, just like we are doing it in the school. So the introducing one alphabet, introducing one letter, we have at least 11 to 12 well-designed steps here. So the speed should be slower, the emphasis should be on formation of what? You said it right? Concepts. What are the exercises that we have for building up arm and hand strength? Weight bearing activities, cross crawling activities, because this movement will not happen until and unless they have strength in their arms, in their shoulders. So a lot of emphasis has to be given to their pushing, pulling activities, weight bearing activities and squeezing activities. Paper mashing, जो हम सुबह से न्यूज़पेपर हमने गोल गोल करके ढेर लगा दिया है, what was all this? Squeezing activities. The good old PT exercises, etc. can be done. We have been doing it in the school. You need to do the similar kind of things at home also. Bubble wraps. This is again a very good exercise that can be done. You can give. They can just keep bursting. So poking activities जितनी भी होती हैं आजकल वो बहुत आ रहे हैं मार्केट में, कलरफुल, what do we call it? Poppets. They are again a very good kind of exercise that should be done for as free writing. So for writing, don't give emphasis on writing, but give on the kind of exercises that will strengthen the ability of the child to write well. And if you will do all this, the child will do it with a lot of interest. 5 पेज लिखने से कुछ भी अचीव नहीं होगा. Even if the child is doing 1, he should do it with proper understanding of the concept and interest. So can we have crocodile music? इसमें है एक in the folder. Show me again your hands. So जैसे हम जिम जाके पहले क्या करते हैं हमेशा? वार्म अप. मैं कभी नहीं जाती हूँ वैसे. जिम जाके जो आप वार्म अप करते हो, सिमिलरली बिफोर चिल्ड्रन राइट देयर शुड बी वार्म अप एक्सरसाइजेस. और वो किसका होगा? फिंगर्स का. फिंगर जिम. वी आर डूइंग 1 एक्सरसाइज विद यू. सिमिलरली यू कैन डू विद योर किड्स एट होम. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Fingers can snap, 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 snap. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Move your shoulders. Your right hand up. Right hand. pencils in your hands. So pencil is the writing tool. With pencil also there are good number of exercises that can be done. Next up. Inchworms. You hold the writing tool, you go up slowly and then you come down. Then there are finger chair push-ups. You hold the chair with your fingers tightly and they do push-ups. ये हमें नहीं करना है, किससे करवाना है जाके? बच्चों से करवाना है. Then what else? Then there are this very famous rhyme है ना छोटा सा, Incy Wincy Spider. हाँ? Can you sing it? Do we all know it? 1, 2, 3, start.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the again. what is this? Incy Wincy spider. These are your inchworms. These are your shoulder shrugs. मैंने नहीं बोलना इससे, आपको shoulder shrugs करने, because the better the movement of shoulder, the better the movement of your wrist, right? And if they know the formation, if it is the writing, A is no rocket science. If they have strength, if the concept has been formed, if they know the strokes, they can write anything and everything. Then we have finger gym. Here in school, you can do the similar kind of lacing activities at home also. For transferring things from smaller to bigger vessels and bigger to smaller. Sorting exercises. But make sure that sorting exercises are done under supervision, because at times the sorting material can be choking also. मतलब अगर आप चना वना मिक्स करके दे रहे हैं तो they should sort it under your supervision. Then one very good exercise is clay dough, right? And if clay dough is not available, बहुत जल्दी dry हो जाता है, you can use the normal dough also. आटा गूंद के, टाइट गूंद के, give it to them and let them make whatever they want to make. Make sure they have rolling pin and rolling boards also. The chota chakla belna, because that is also a good exercise that the children can do. If you have any concerns regarding writing or any skill, I am here today. We can speak one-on-one as well after the session. That is it from my end. Please please understand the learning level of your children and then work with them. Have the right kind of expectations from them and make the learning experience fun-filled for them. We are doing it at school, but we need your cooperation. We need you to understand the thought process, that whatever we are doing it with a well-defined purpose. Thank you so much.
Really a great session, isn't it? Yes. Then we have Shavika for the speaking skills. Reading, writing हो गया, अब आ गया communication, है ना? ये लैपटॉप लगाना है ना.